Again, it's Priscilla Batzell, Spring Hill, Florida. Let's zoom out a little more. That is 12 by 16 inch canvas. Those are the palette knives I am going to have to choose from in order to swipe. I'm going to do a bloom swipe and spin. I'm going to use my PPG Speed Hide, which is maybe a good and maybe not a good idea. We hope I can spin it out far enough. I do tend to put a thin layer of paint right in the center of my canvas before I start because I don't necessarily think that the center spins out very well. And I will give this a bit of a spin just to move some paint. Then I have to decide, I think I'm going to put down some marks just to guide me. That is the Mayan Gold. I'm a Colour Arte affiliate, and there are Colour Arte and Prizm Pour colors going to be used in this. I haven't done anything exactly like this. Sarah Taylor inspired me. I watched her do a similar bloom. I think I'm going to use my largest palette knife, and I think I'm going to load it up with not just white, Amsterdam white with Aussie Floetrol, which is getting to the end of its run, but some black, and then take my colors, as long as they're open. I have some marooned from the new Deserted Island or Tropical Waters. I think maroon sounds like it's from the Tropical Island. And I was going to use something else, but I think I'm going to use the Agave Gold. Excuse me, Agave Blue, if I can get it to open completely. And then after I use this large palette knife, I'm going to have to decide if I want a smaller one. I may. Never mind cleaning off my tools on the edge. You won't get to keep whatever's on the edge anyway. So that's pretty cool. I'm not unhappy with that. I like that quite a bit, actually. I think that makes me want a larger palette knife, not a smaller one. How about I just compromise and use the same size again? I'm going to use some of the black again. Some of the white again. And I've got some Orange Crush. I've got some honeysuckle and I want to use it. It's new Prizm Pour. And I've got some Orange Crush and I might use that too. Of course, the marooned is also calling me. I'm going to use the marooned if I can get anything out. Just gonna get whatever I can get gone. Well, that's an interesting way for me to go, because usually I use a lot of colors, and that's not a lot of colors. But I'm going to spin this out, and then I'm going to decide what I'm going to do. I add more paint, probably add more white to help myself spin it. But I'm going to get a couple bottles out of the way, because I'm surprised at how quick that happened. Do I want anything else? I could do it one more time. I kind of want some pink, and I've got some P.E.s iridescent blue violet that I love. That's a cell activator, and I want to use it alone and see what happens. Along with the black. I said alone, I didn't mean that. Well, I like that. Now I'm not sure if I have too many marks or what, because I've really got 4. But let's spin and find out what's going to happen. Move some of my tools out of the way. Put that palette knife in the bucket. Let's go both directions. I might have used enough paint. It's kind of feeling like I maybe did. I love the silicone mat that I have draped over my turntable because my painting 99.9% of the time never ever moves. So, do I want to do anything to this? Kind of. Do I want to smooth anything out toward the edges? Do I dare? I guess I dare a lot of things. I might as well dare that. I don't have enough orange in there, I can say that now. I meant to put a lot more orange in, but I like what I've got. Got a strange little black mark. I think I'm going to keep spinning and try to get the paint to cover to the edge. And spread out. I haven't done anything exactly like this before. Thank you, Sarah. Good idea. Reminds me of stuff Winterstrom Art does, to a point. I think I see something I want to fix. And that would be this strangeness here. So I'm just going to add some white paint because I don't like the marks I left behind with my palette knife. But otherwise, I kind of want to take, oh boy, I kind of want to do something. I guess I could. I guess I could just do a little transfer. It's not really very deep anymore, so this might be a very bad idea. So I'm going to be very cautious in what I do. Wipe off my palette knife in between. There's every possibility that if you wanted to, you could still swipe. And I'm thinking, do I really want to not swipe? I'm thinking I do. And I'm going to use the P.E.s iridescent pink. Excuse me, blue violet. Dragging a Klingon. Well, that did not sell, so obviously it needs something else with it. So I'll just use a little black, and I'm going to try the same thing again. I see a couple cells, not many. Not sure. I already have a mark there. I am a willful child. I will spontaneously try all kinds of weird stuff to change my design up a little bit. guess I'm going to learn to live with this negative space over here. Although I don't have to if I use my palette knife. And I'm careful not to have anything on it. One more spin and then I'm going to call it. Okay, however many more spins and then I'm going to call it. The spinning part is really therapeutic for me, I gotta tell you what. I'm looking for that beautiful blue to go to the edge. If I can make it, I will. I suppose I could add a little bit of paint, but it's almost where I want it to be right now. And I don't think it's going to crack. I did put PPG Speed Hide down, which is the white semi-gloss from Home Depot. I'm not sure what my composition looks like, but it's kind of cool. And it kind of begs a few marks. I'm not sure what kind of marks. Spirals, go figure. Never would have guessed. So, that's different and that's cool. I like it. I don't even mind where I added the pink over here. Minor alterations withstanding. I keep thinking of birds and flying fish, and I don't know why. So there's some great colors in there, and some wonderful cells. And it's, oh wow. It was definitely fun to try, and I'll be doing it again. For reals, for sure. I'll be checking for bubbles, piercing with a straw. Excuse me, a skewer. Hello, brain on for safety. I'm not sure which way is the best way up. I kind of think that way is. Yeah, I really like it that way. Maybe I'll zoom in for you that way. Look at those colors. Those colors are awesome. Let's see. I'm going to zoom right down in there. Let's see if I can shimmer something at you by flashing my flashlight back and forth. Look at that. All thanks to Sarah inspiring me. Perfect. All right. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I post at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I have a link tree with my email address and my website and Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Facebook group Expressionist Fluid Art Studio. Appreciation group on Facebook, yeah. My paint pouring recipes are below the video. Please give me thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. When you watch them longer, you help me out. My Amazon link is a great place to shop. It's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. My 2 books are there because they can, and Unlimited Possibilities are volumes 1 and 2, and they are the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. I have 2,700 going on 2,800 videos. And you can find them by going to my playlists, all playlists, created playlists, by visiting my channel, or you can ask me, because I have them saved by the topic and genre and by the 100. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. You also keep me painting through your PayPal donations. I really appreciate that so much. You have no idea. There's a PayPal icon on the bottom right-hand corner of my YouTube channel banner. Usual PayPal consultations are invited with a PayPal donation. Membership is $9.99 a month, and you gain access to a members-only library of more than 50 videos going up all the time. My community board will show you tomorrow's video the night before or the morning before. Questions are welcome and invited. I love you guys. I want you to take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Know that I can have almost anything put on clothing or merchandise at Spring, Society 6, The Gallerist, and I have Pinterest and Instagram. Instagram will show you current videos, and Pinterest will show you boards from fineartamericapixels.com, where I can also put more merch. Okay, you guys, I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.